Viewers, we're beginning this bulletin with breaking news that's coming in. This is with regards to late Wing Commander Naman Shyal's mortal remains, which have now reached his house. It's Naman's mortals that's been kept at his Kangra home. Naman's wife, Wing Commander Afshan, received the mortal remains. Wing Commander Naman Shyal's family members, including his wife, Wing Commander Afshan, are all present, as you can see in these visuals. An air of gloom and major loss that grips the family after this tragedy that came about at the Dubai Air Show 2025, where a Tejas fighter jet crashed. The Tejas pilot, Wing Commander Naman Shyal's wife, Wing Commander Afshan, who is a serving officer currently, and their daughter, all of them are present here. And this is people who have gathered at Wing Commander Shyal's house in Kangra to pay their last respects before the last rites are conducted. His mortal remains have just reached the house a little while back. And people from all across Kangra, because he's from Himachal, have come in to in fact pay their tribute and their last and final homage to the Wing Commander. We have Aman Bhardwaj joining us on the broadcast to bring us some more details at this point. Aman, a very good afternoon to you, but it definitely isn't a good afternoon for the family there as Wing Commander Naman Shyal's mortal remains reach them. There is despair, there's gloom, there's sadness that's gripped the family that can be clearly seen in these very visuals. What more are you picking up?
See, it's completely sad for the state as well, because Kangra district in Himachal, where Syan was hailing from, and the entire district or the state, even the complete nation, is in a sad state because the news when was heard. After that, now his mortal remains been brought back here in Kangra airport, where it has reached now. And now, because family though conveyed yesterday that the last rites will be taking place today afternoon, and family has been preparing for that. And his mother Beena Devi, who was into the tears, even the complete family. It was a shocking news for the family, but because their 37-year-old son, 34-year-old son lost their life, and now the family is into the state where to whom they will depend, with whom they will share their all emotions. And coming from Himachal, it was a proud moment that he was into the Air Force, but now this sad news though has affected the state administration and the family deeply. But his last ride will be taking place at Nagrota in Patialkar Panchayat, which is a native village of Naman Shyal, and also his family, his near and dear ones are just waiting to just see him, and are also remembering the incidents, with how the visuals that they saw on the TV. It was shocking for the family and completely sad for the state as well. But now his last rites will be performed, and family will remember with all his memories that they have, and also the family is into the state that they pray that his soul rest in peace.
May his soul rest in peace. And yes, we can hear the wailing cries of the family members. It's a grief-stricken hour for them. One can clearly understand it is a tragedy that came about at the Dubai Air Show. And our condolences to the family as well. But yes, these are the latest updates that we're picking up from Kangra as the mortal remains of late Wing Commander Naman Shyal reaches his family.